Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig that I got from Subella hair. All the information of course will be in the description box below. So this wig is really cute. This is a 24-inch curly 13x6 frontal wig. Some of the features is that it has 4C curly edges. They give you more of a natural looking hairline, and this is just the construction of the wig here. So the knots are pre-bleached, as you can see. It comes with this adjustable band, the elastic band right here, and it is on this dome cap, and it has your comb in the middle and then also a comb at the back and the lace at the back as well. And then this is what the curl pattern looks like, and this is a close-up of the 4C kinky edges. So yeah, this wig is really cute. I'm excited to install it. Really quickly, this is just some of the things that came with the wig. They give you some really cute brushes here, a wig cap, an edge band, and yeah, so if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. So jump right into the video. I'm using my Ruby Kisses cream makeup to put on my wig cap. Yes, I am using a wig cap for this install, but no, I'm not doing the wig cap method. I'm just putting the wig cap on normally as I would for any other wig install. I feel like with this type of hair, you can't really see the wig cap underneath, so it's fine. And then also I'm going to be coloring it with this cream makeup. Then I'm just going to put some of the extra makeup that's left over on the lace, even though it doesn't need it because the lace is already pre-bleached and everything. It's just something that I wanted to do. Now I'm just going to take some small scissors and cut the lace off the back of the wig. If you want to keep the lace on, you absolutely can. I won't be using it, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off. And now I am going to just slide the wig onto my head and keep that elastic band on there. And I'm going to take that comb and tuck it into the back of my braids and then just adjust it on my head to make sure everything fits comfortably. Now I just have to make sure that the wig fits around my ear, so I'm just cutting off the extra lace a little bit in the front and then some at the top, just to make sure my ears can go around the hairline on both sides. Y'all, so this is definitely toner that I have in my hand. This whole time I'm thinking it's like rubbing alcohol. But I just took some of this. Either way, it worked. So I'm just taking some of this in a little cotton round and just cleaning off my hairline, because I am going to be gluing this wig down and I am wearing makeup, so I just want to remove it from my hairline. Then I'm just taking a tiny bit of glue and going across my forehead at the top. Now, I know you see the type of hairline that I have. Like, on the sides it goes down a little further, and I refuse to glue my wig next to my eyebrows, so I have to kind of like spot apply my glue. So I start like in my forehead area because that's like the widest part, and then I'll go like on each side of where, I don't even know what you would call that, but it's like the sides, they come down pretty far. So I'll just apply the glue in between that, and then also I apply it behind my sideburns. Then once the glue is dried clear, I'm just pulling the lace down over the glue and then using the back of my comb to kind of like press it into place. Y'all, I wish I had my rat tail comb, but I broke them, don't ask how, so I have to get another one. Even though this is a rat tail comb, you know I need like the little thin rat tail comb because they be doing the job. But anyway, so I'm just going to take the edge band and wrap it around my edges to hold it on tight. To hold it on tight? What? To tie it down, you know what I'm doing. Anyways, so after it's been like what, 10-15 minutes, I'm gonna take it off, and then I'm just using my fabric cutting shears. You can get these off Amazon. I like them because they have like jagged edges like what you just saw. I like to do that to cut like big chunks of the lace so that it doesn't cut in like a straight line. It just automatically cuts it zigzag, so it makes it like harder to see against your skin as opposed to cutting in a straight line. And then I go behind it with like my little baby scissors, the little smaller ones, to kind of like clean up what was missed. Y'all, look at all the hair that comes on this wig. It is so thick and so full. And this is just how the curls look straight out the box. I hadn't even done anything to it yet, but you know we finna get into that. So only thing I'm gonna do is just take some water and really saturate these curls. Get them like super, super drenched. And then I'm gonna go in and define them. And by going in and defining them, I mean just taking my little brush and brushing through it. I actually ran out of my mousse and my like curling cream. I ran out of freaking everything. I had to go and stock up. So that's the only reason why I used water. Had I had any other products, I definitely would have used that on the hair. But the hair was actually so nice and soft and manageable that I really didn't need any of the other stuff anyway. Water was enough. But if you want like a product to hold your curls, or if you want like more defined curls, then I would recommend using like a product. But aside from that, you really don't even need it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into these edges. I'm just taking like a comb and I'm like doing what I can to like fluff them out some, because they come really like spiraled pretty tightly. You could probably also take some water if you want to, or maybe some mousse if you had it, and like rub it across your hairline. I just didn't want to take water because I was afraid it was going to like loosen up the glue. But yeah, so I'm just going in with my comb and loosening up the hairline. And then also I do want to mention that I went in with like my gel and my little edge brush, and I kind of pushed my edges forward a little bit so they can fall more like in my face and like cover up some more of my forehead. Honestly, I was trying to cover up my forehead. But like now I didn't like gel them to my forehead, but I kind of just like used the gel to kind of make the part in between like the edges and the hair itself a little bit wider so that they fall in my face, if that makes sense, or so that they go towards my face. So I decided I wanted to do a flip over with this hair. I felt like that was going to be really cute given like the fluffy nature of the edges and the hair and such. So I'm just gonna part my hair a little bit to the side, kind of like not perfectly. I am going to use my comb a little bit, but I'm just going to part it off to the side, but kind of want that like messy, disheveled, like I just flip my hair over to the side type of vibe. That's kind of what I'm going for here. And then after I get my part together, I'm just going to go in with some of my water again, just to like resaturate the curls and like redefine the curls, because after doing all that flipping, it it got a little bit frizzy. So I'm gonna go and redefine the curls. All right, so this is what it's looking like after I've redefined the curls. Everything is just looking flat and laid to the side. But I decided I wanted to let this hair air dry and wear it like fluffy and big, because that is the star of the show. I just really love big fluffy hair, and let me tell you, I was getting so many compliments on this hair. I went to the mall after it and I got so many compliments because it just looks so cute. It looks even better in person. Like on camera is not even doing it justice, but especially with like the fluffy edges, and if you wear the hair like in its naturally like dry state, it just looks so perfect. Honestly, exactly what I was going for. But yeah, definitely love this hair. It's a showstopper. Looks very cute, super thick. That 220% density is like chef's kiss, honestly. No issues with like tangling, minimal shedding that you would expect to get from curly hair, but really like no shedding at all. Honestly, the hair is like so soft, nice, and manageable. Definitely love this wig. This is like one of my favorites. So definitely check it out if you're interested. All the information for this hair is in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.